One night, Little Duck was walking home alone. Suddenly, a fox jumped out. He pinned Little Duck to the ground and flashed his sharp teeth. Little Duck was very scared, but then he took a deep breath. He looked up at the fox. "Mr. Fox," Little Duck said calmly, "you can eat me, but first I have a small request. I want to know how foxes sound. Could you teach me?" The fox laughed loudly. "A duck trying to sound like a fox? How funny!" "All right," the fox said. "Listen carefully." The fox puffed out his chest and howled, "A woo, woo!" The sound brought a big yellow dog over. The fox froze. Then he turned and ran away. Finally, the big yellow dog walked Little Duck home safely. Staying calm can save you. What would you do if you were Little Duck? Like and follow.